one more time. Okay. Before recording, you can go to the recording and recording options. In that recording options, we have the different type of recording options will be there. So one is the recording. In the recording, we have the two types. What are there? HTML based, URL based. So I will explain later what is the difference between HTML and when we can switch from the HTML to URL. I will explain. Now we are recording and everything script we are doing for the HTML based only. In that HTML based, right? So HTML based, we need to HTML advanced will be there, right? You can click on HTML advanced. There you need to keep the web URL, web submit data functions. So that is why you need to check this radio button. A script contain explicit URL and web URL and record within the current script step and click on OK. And after that script, this is the same protocol. For here we need to advance is important. When you are starting, right, once the installation completed, you are able to see the like this. So this will be checks will be there, right? You need to no need for this. We can disable this. Okay. Otherwise, you will get further some different junk data. It will be generated. And apart from this, in headers also, it will be there. Actually, recorder header list. This all will be there. But no need for this headers. Then you need to select as a do not record headers. And click on OK. So this is the in advance. And going to the mapping and filter, we have the three options. We have mapping and filter, socket level data, VNet level data, socket level and VNet level data. So socket level data, nothing but you are doing for the web application, you need to select for the socket level data. Maybe you are doing for the any Windows based application, you can select for the VNet level data. Maybe you are doing for the web application only, but sometimes what will happen is some of the request is be you are unable to recording the script. So at that time you can select for the both also is possible. Now we are doing for the web, right? You can select for the socket level data only. So this is the prerequisites before you can record the script. It's clear, everyone? So what is the parameterization? Here come to script enhancements. What is the parameterization? Anyone?
When we give any value through using keyboard, it is called as parameterization.
Using keypad.
Yes. What are the values we are entering through keyboard? Those values we should do the parameterization.
Yes.
Or static input to the server. Static input means it doesn't change. So username is a Jojo means every time will be Jojo, it will be there. So static input to server. And what are the types of parameters?
Types of parameters.
What are the types? File, date and time,
Date and time,
iteration number, unique number, random number, XML. So this all will be parameter types. So each and every point also very important. So that is why when you are doing the scripting, right, you need to check for that options also. You can click on this and you can see we have the different options. See date and time, file, group name, iteration number, this all will be there. Mostly we are using for that date and time and file only maximum. So remaining will be depends on the requirement only we can use this. Maybe random point of means we can use for the random. Maybe iteration point of we can use iteration. That will be depends on the requirement. But maximum we can use date and time and file. It's clear?
Okay.
So yesterday we done for the username and password, right? So for today, what we need to means we can come to here and see departure is what is the departure? We are selecting means you are not entering through keyboard. So that is why we not do the parameterization, but departure date will be there. So actually departure date is 13 is there.
Hello, sir.
Yes.
Hello.
Yeah.
Date ni select చేసి parameterization చేసేటప్పుడు notepad through ఆ క్యాప్ లో సి లాంగ్వేజ్ టైప్ లో వస్తుంది దాన్ని మొత్తం ఎడిట్ చేయాలా అండి?
I will explain now. Okay.
Okay.
See, now we'll do for the date and time. Same way we can do. We need to select for the value and after that click on right button, replace with parameter, click on new parameter And for here, you need to give for the name of this. What is this name? Departure date.
Departure date. Okay.
Departure date and
Date.
param. Okay. So now you can observe parameter type. So parameter
Date and
type,
time.
we need to select for the date and time. Why?
Date
Because
and time.
we are doing for the date and time. This is the date and time. So you need to select for the date and time parameter type.
Okay. Okay.
Date and time. So after that, we need to go to the properties.
Property.
So
Yes.
you can
Yes.
observe
Language.
this is the parameter type will be date and time. This is not a C language. This is the format of the date. So for example, you can observe this date format. What is the date format? 10 means what is that? Month. 13 means
Yes.
date. Means
Okay.
DMY. Actually, so you can observe here. This is the percentage M, percentage DY. 10, 13, 22. This is the our format. Same like this format.
Yes.
Maybe you can select a
Okay.
different format. So we have the different formats will be there. So this is the same as this format.
No.
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 No, sir.
So what we need to do means, what is the
Yes.
in application of format, we need to select that format. These all will be different formats.
SS format.
So we need to select that format. Maybe you don't have also. What we need to do means you can edit also is possible. See, you can edit. How to we can do means percentage M nothing but day month, percentage
Month.
D nothing but
Date.
month, sorry, date and
Date.
slash,
Percentage. Year.
yeah.
Year. Okay.
Sir, why we have to give percentage, sir?
Yeah, then only it will understand actually who is written in this load runner, right? They will return for like my percentage M nothing but it's a date. Okay.
Okay.
Percentage nothing but it is indicate for them if it is month or date, it will be indicate. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Percentage D and
Date.
slash and now
Slash.
Y.
Percentage. Year.
See, if you not given percentage here, you can observe above we are getting for the Y only.
Okay. Okay. Yes.
See, now you can observe I given Y 2022. This is our correct format.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
2022.
Yes, 2022, but it is showing only 22. So this is not our correct format, means you can give as a capital Y. You can observe now. 2020. So main thing, application, what is this format? You need to edit format like this. If you don't have here, in this, these all will be different formats.
Yes. Okay.
So if you maybe you want a date and time means you can select like this. Maybe your year also same like this will be there, like 2022, 10, 13, and time also some hours, minutes, and seconds will be there. So same it will be there. You can select this. Maybe now apart from this, you can select this. It will work. No, right? Because application is developed as a in this format. But you are giving this format, it will work? No, right? It will fail your script. So that is why date and time is one thing is very important. What is that means? Is here in application, what is the format is developed? You need to select here that format. If it is not there, you can edit also possible.
Okay. Okay.
Got it?
Yeah. Got it. Got it.
So now I'm selecting for the hour format. So this is the hour format. Now you can observe 10, 13,
Yes.
22. So after
22,
that,
yes.
close. Nothing we can do, close it. And click
Yes.
on OK. And always no.
No.
Actually, it is asking for the do you want to replace? Means where is this date will be there, right? 10, 13, 22. In that place, you want to replace with the departure date param. It is asking. If you click on yes, then what will happen means, so it will replace, it will ask, okay, 10, 13, 22 place, it is a replacing with, see, finding text will be 10, 13, 22. It replace with the date and time param. So you need to find means click on this. So, but this is the flight value. So now that is why no need to replace this and click on next, find next. This is also flight. So we don't have anything. So already one is there, that is completed replace. So if you want means you can replace like this.
Okay.
Got it?
Yeah, got it. Got it.
So that is the date and time parameterization. Again, I'm doing for the return date also. Same way. Okay. So very easy way parameterization. Nothing is create parameter, create new parameter,
Yes.
and give it as a name return.
Okay. Departure. Return date.
Return date.
Return date.
Param.
Return date.
Param.
Return date. Param.
And you can
Sir,
select
why
that.
we have to give
Date and
param?
time.
Why we are giving param means, see, it is someone will
Username.
see this. So actually I done some scripting up to 50 lines. Then I will sending to the Srinivas this script. Okay. Because I am today's leave. Then Srinivas will come and he also know for the, okay, he done for the date and time parameters. Some param means parameterization he done. Means
Okay,
someone
for a file
will,
name param.
yes, someone will see means, okay, he done for the date and time parameterization. So easy to understand.
Yes. Yes.
Okay, so now again I'm selecting for the date and time
Date
and
and
properties.
time. Property.
And so you can observe first will be this is the same format or not, you can check. Okay,
Okay.
click on close
Close.
and click on okay
Okay.
and no.
No.
So
Yes.
date and time parameterization is completed.
Okay.
But I want to departure date will be future date, because actually I'm booking for the 13th today, but I want to this ticket I want to book for the after 2 days. So how to we can do means in that parameter properties only, go to the parameter properties, select for the departure date and param, and here we have the some option will be there, offset parameter. You need to check this. And how many days you want future days? Means I want 2 days future days. So 2 days means what date it will come? So for today is the 13, 14, 15. I want book the ticket in the 15. So I want for the 15 date means I given as a what I given. I enable the offset and I given for the 2 days. Then you can observe. Okay, first we'll observe for the current date, and after that we'll see the this future date. Okay, I enable this. Okay, first we'll execute, and first we'll see this departure date and arrival date. Return date is what date we'll pick. We can observe in the results. Okay, server is there. Yeah. So just I'm executing. Oh, I think it's 5 times will be there. Huh? No need 5 times. I will stop. So 5 times means that is our understanding point of only run logic. I am giving only 1 time. So date and time, why we are doing, anyone guess?
Date and time.
Why we are doing parameterization?
Yes.
Why we are doing parameterization? Yes, no. I am asking question.
Yes. Why we are doing? Okay.
See, for example, actually when I am recording the script, what will happen? In the script, what will happen? It is coming from the yesterday recorded means yesterday date it will show. Yesterday date, what is the date? 12. But you are not doing for the parameterization. Again, today you are executing. What date it will show? 12 only, right?
12.
So
Yes.
that is the good manner. No, right? Because
No.
past date we can book the ticket. No, right? So
No.
that is why if you not do the parameterization date and time, your script will be not work. So now we'll observe the date and time parameterization. What happened? See, now you can observe. See, departure date will be, I think, a different format is selected. Maybe you can observe 2022, 10, 13, and the date also it is coming, right? So this
Yeah.
is not correct format. Go to the parameters and select departure date is this format and click on close. Now again we'll save it. Again we'll execute. So very simple only parameterization concept. Now we'll see the date and time parameters. Now you can see 10, 13, 22, 10, 13, 22. Means when you are doing for the parameterization date and time, what is the current date it will pick. Maybe tomorrow you will run this script. What date it will come?
10 to
Tomorrow.
Yesterday,
Tomorrow's
tomorrow date
date.
will come, right? Like tomorrow
Yes,
date, the
tomorrow's
14,
date will come.
14 will come.
Yes.
So your script will be passed every time, because if you done for this parameterization, if you run for the 2 days or 3 days or after 40 days also, your script will be passed because you are done for the date and time parameter. Please unmute yourself. Someone is okay. So again, we'll go to the parameters. Now we'll do the offset. So I want for the future date, not today. So I want 15 date. I want to book the ticket. So then what I do means you can check this offset and you can give it as a 2. And
2.
you can observe, just will execute and we'll see the what date will be come from the departure date. See departure date. See what date it came?
Yes, 15.
15. So means
Yes.
we are given future date.
Mm.
So means future date means what we done. You can go to the parameters and select for the offset. How many days you want, you can select for that 2 days. If you want to 3 days means you can give for the 3 days. So that is the
Yes.
future date if you want to. So same way you can do for this also, return date, because departure date only 15 means return date is 13 possible. Not possible, right? So return date also you can go to the return date and select offset and you can give as a 3 days or 4 days you can give. 4 days means what date it will come? 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4 it will come. Means 17 will come. Now we'll observe. Date format is changing. Okay. See 4 days I given, then save it and execute. See now we'll observe. See what date came? Return date?
17.
17. But I don't want to this holidays is there, right? Saturday, Sundays, I don't want. So then what will happen? 1, 2, 3, 4, it will come. Means 19 will be, it will book the return date. So how to will get that return date as a no need for that means go to the parameter properties and we have the, you can observe options will be there. Working days only.
Yes, working days only.
Means then what will happen? See, you go here, current date is the 13. Working date means 14 is working day, but 15 is working day? No. 16 is working day? No. Means 1, 2, 3, 4. Means what date will come? 19 will come.
19th.
So we'll see that now.
Okay.
19 will come or not, we can see. So everything you want to see in the output only. Okay.
Okay.
So your everything you need to observe in the output window only. And go to the where we done. Now you can observe.
No, it's not came.
Why it is not came? We are
17th
not selected.
only.
Saturday, Sunday will be calculated.
No. We are not.
Not check it. We are not check it.
Yes.
That
Yeah.
working days
Now
only.
we'll check and save and we'll run. Then you will get for the 19 date.
Yes. Okay.
See, now we'll observe.
Mm,
See,
yes,
Yes,
got it.
got it.
19th.
yes. So means so this is the way, depends on the your requirement. I want for future date and no working days. Only working days means you can select for the working days option. So this is the working days option.
Yes. Okay.
But sometimes will be future date also, past date also need, right? For example, date of birth will be there. Okay. So we can do for the date of birth will be every time will be future date will come is correct. It's not correct, right?
Yes.
It is going to the some period date also, means it is going to the past date. So how to will go to the past date means you can select here period to current date. So for example, starting will give only 2, and when you are select this period date, what will happen means I will remove for the working days also. So what is the current date?
13.
13
13
minus 2.
current
13
date.
minus 2 means which date it will come?
11.
11. So we'll see the 11 will get or not, we'll see.
Execute.
So these all things you need to do for the your script also, your system, then you will be easy to understand. See, you can observe
Okay.
11 is kept.
Yes. Good. Okay.
And the same way here also it will work. If you want for the only working days, then you can give it as a, say you can observe 13, right? So I want only working days with 4 days I give in. Before that, starting before that we'll give for the 4 days. Okay, 4 days means what will happen? What date will come? 1, 2, 3, 4 means 9 date will come. So
9.
we'll observe now.
Save.
Replace script. So now we can observe here. See what date came? 9.
9.
Okay. So means maybe then you can give the working days only. Then what will happen? You can observe. Working days means 1, 2, 3, and after that 4.
7.
7 it will come.
Yeah.
Now we'll see
Yes.
this working days only. So format also important.
Okay. Execute.
So interview question also, what is the date and time parameterization? What is the future date means how to will get, and what is the past date means how to will get. So you need to know. See, now you can observe what date came? 7.
7.
So this is the way you can do for the parameterization for the date and time. So what you need to do, you can do for the parameterization, and you need to do for the how I done for the, right. First time you can do for the give for the 2 days period date or current date you can give, and working days you need to practice like this.
Okay.
So anyone any doubts for today class, please feel to ask, because if you not understand, definitely you need to ask. Otherwise, okay, you are unable to understand means tomorrow you will not do for the assignment. So if you anyone is not done for the assignment tomorrow onwards, don't attend classes. If anyone pay the fees also, I will refund. Is it fine, or anyone any doubts? You can good to close class.
Sir,
Yeah.
sir, actually, first I missed the class, sir. Yesterday I have downloaded the softwares.
Okay.
I have opened that web tours and Vusion generator, sir. So I'm little confusion where we have to copy paste that link, sir, in Vusion web tours.
Yeah, you can click on record button, right? There you can, it will be URL will be there, right? There you can replace it.
Okay.
See, you can see I am showing this is the record button. See, this is
Yes.
the URL. URL address is there.
Okay.
Right? In this place, you can keep
Okay.
it.
Okay.
And
Okay,
before
sir.
that, everyone will be should understand this Web2 application is developed by the only load runner, HP load runner only. So that is why we need to open this tool means you need to definitely need to open this server, start server. If you
Okay.
not open this start server, you are see, for example, I will close this. So again, I will open that our URL. See, it will open or not, you can check. See, you will get for the some site cannot be refused connection because you are not on the server. So that is why everyone will be keep the in desktop as a start server. Then you can click on this. Now you can go to the application and now you can open. So means it is a connection is there in server to here. See, now it is open. So when you are doing for the Web2 script means you must need to open the server.
Server.
Yes.
Okay, real time is no need, but now we are doing for this Web2 point of only we need that one. So just you can open and minimize it. That's it. That will be no need to do anything. Got it,
Okay,
Srinivas?
sir. Yes, sir. Yes. Sir, after logging into Web2s, then we have to go for recording, no, sir?
Yes, you can click on start recording. Automatically it is going to the launch is completed. You need to record it to the login onwards.
Okay. Sir.
Okay. Follow
Okay,
the videos and you need to identify this anything issues. So and the same time I will do for the teams also after 1 or 2 days. I will do for the team, and the teamwork is also very important software point of view, because when you are doing for the teamwork, maybe someone will be not good for this particular section, then someone will good, then you can share together 1 to 1. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So I will do for that also. Okay. Initial only, right? We are. So that is why. But I am telling for every day, definitely everyone should do the practice. If you not do the practice, don't attend classes, don't waste your money. Because see, everyone is going as an experience, right? So means you need to practice yourself.